These findings may come useful if you cannot find onion seeds for sale or if it's off-season and you can't sow in the garden, because onion scraps can be planted at any time of the year in pots and indoors too. Many people say that you can't grow onions from scraps. They say you can only grow greens, and if you are lucky and they bloom, you may get seeds. But here is proof that you can grow actual onions from a tiny scrap. These 2 onions were grown from such a tiny scrap. They are 2 of the onions from my previous video, and you will find the link to it in the description. I had 9 scraps rooted and planted, but in the meantime we had drought, and since they were in smaller pots, some didn't make it. The rest were weakened by the drought and were attacked by some pest, and then they were left unattended for over 7 weeks. In the end, only 2 survived all these obstacles, but they did survive to be the proof.